Dr. Ampareen Lingdok kanong Ïakren jong sarkar MDA2 bat Menteri Beri Khmi Tnad kokoi kakhya jong sarkar jalla habakan tho Halor ka rai jing weng no jong HNLC na kamit Ïakren yasuk kalaang bayakani kamat dei hiu sembut Menteri Rangba ubari Khmi Tnad Kam-Pohīing uba Preston Tensong ban Tuklar Habakran sikilat pathai kubor ka janmit jong pratarik kula lengkot arja arpusau ka Dr. Ampareen Lingdok kalaang ba ka National People's Party kan nang yai beteng ban ai jing mut ya ka sarkar ban penyat bet ya ka jing Ïakren yasuk hapadeng ka HNLC bat ka sarkar jalla bat ka sarkar India.
I think very recently an official communication on this matter has already been indicated to certain media organizations. I believe there was a press release of some sort. This matter is to be handled by the Honourable Home Minister, who is also the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister of the state, who is at the moment indisposed and unable to attend to this important matter. However, having said that and put that in perspective, the NPP remains dedicated to advise its government to go ahead with this very crucial peace talk. We understand that there have been certain displeasures and misunderstanding which all yet have to be verified, and we will wait for the Honourable Home Minister to return to office very shortly, and he will surely be able to give you better insight. But I assure you that we as a party and we as a government are committed towards the progression of peace talks with this particular band outfit, and we would like to see that there should be an amicable understanding for long-term peace talks. I will not be able to disclose much on this matter because I am yet to be advised accordingly. However, at this point of time, this should be sufficient to explain the stand of the supporters of the NPP on the one side and the government of the MDA 2.0 in the leadership of our Honourable Chief Minister.